shut the door for this discussion. This is some serious talk, some serious accessory talk. So what I'm about to show you that we are going to be having in stock very soon is a product that a lot of you ask for all the time. And there's two groups of guys and gals out there. There are those of you that are connected on the internet, you're on the forums, you know the latest and greatest tech, products, etc. You like to have your phone connected to your bike and your Nav 6, but you're always just missing that last one element. And then there's the other group of you that don't know what the latest and greatest is. Admittedly, that's me now these days, but you do still want what this product offers, and I guarantee you that. So what this product offers you is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on your motorcycle. That's right. So this company is called Chigee. So the group of you that are online, maybe on ADV Rider or websites like that, the BMW sites in particular, you know this. This is $499. Okay, this is the BMW unit. Connects right into your existing nav cradle mount that you likely have on your BMW. Your Wonder Wheel, your magic wheel on the left handlebar grip, will operate this unit. Powers from the bike, it does everything, and it gives you Apple CarPlay, finally, right? So, and also Android for the Android owners. There's Android Auto, so you can use your Google Maps, your Apple Maps, your messaging service, everything that you enjoy in your automobile with regards to Apple CarPlay is now on your bike. And the killer part about this item from BMW, for the BMW, is the integration with your bike. But if you don't have the wheel on the left grip or the nav mount, late model nav mount bike to make use of this BMW integration, they of course also make a non-BMW specific kit, which we can sell you and put on your bike so you have Apple CarPlay finally. All right, so it's awesome. We've been playing with it for a day. Thank you to Kevin, our customer, who let us molest his unit a little bit. That's not really bad, but this is the first one we got. We got it in yesterday. We set it up last night. Very easy to use, instant pairing, connected with Senna comm system of ours right away. And everybody online is praising it when they get theirs. So let's go over in a moment and demo this on a BMW so you can see how it operates, how easy it is. The final things that you need to know. They're not easy to get. We do order them direct from China over text messaging. That's how they are ordered. It's a little sketchy. I have to stay up late and do it with our rep Sally, who's awesome. They are currently back ordered, the BMW ones. They are going to be with us in September. We have ordered 2 pallets with them, which is equivalent to 24 units of the BMW system coming. Those will be here probably, my guess, mid-late September. If you want one, you better call David and Adam starting now because these will sell out before they get here, and pre-order yours. We're going to require prepayment, pre-order, because this will be the situation where there's not enough. Because once we show you in a second how this thing works, you'll close your social media, call our guys in the parts department, and order yours. It is as good as it claims to be. $499 for the BMW unit. That's insane. Again, limited. You need to pre-order it to get one. These will sell out before we get them. So that's exciting. We're excited. I don't do videos like this very often. I think you guys like this style a little bit, so we'll do this more frequently for you with our new showcase items. But this was one too good not to highlight for you. So I hope you're having a good day. Let's go over to an R1300 GS, plug in our Chigee AIO-5 BMW. That's hot. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're here. I haven't done this yet, giving it a first go around. We'll see how hard it is. If you notice, the last segment of this video was in not 4K, but 12K resolution. I'm sorry that this segment is in 0.5K because Adam's phone, Apple iPhone 1 or something. Anyway, so hopefully you can see what's going on here. So we got R1300 GS. beautiful new Chigee AIO-5 BMW hot unit. And here's what we do for install. You're familiar with this part on your bike. Pop off the weather protection cover. Pop on the head unit. Okay. Lock it in place, make sure everything's good. Let's do our initial boot up here. There we go. Chigee. All right, we're gonna do our first pair. And you should be able to get your way through pretty easy. Time zone, you don't need to worry about this. Right, we're just gonna proceed through it, okay, as I've been told to do. All right, so now we're going to go to settings, and you're gonna have your phone out. This is just like pairing any normal stuff. Adam, you can chime in if I'm doing this wrong. So let's see. Where do I go?
Back a page.
All right.
Bottom left icon, yeah. Jeff.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Keep it on CarPlay.
All right. I'm just fumbling through. I haven't done this yet, so. Okay. Connect the device's Bluetooth to enable CarPlay. There it is on my phone. Probably the top one, Adam?
Correct.
Okay. We're all familiar with the codes. Go through that. Yes, we're going to allow synchronization of your phone. All right, it's doing its thing. We're now connected. Here's the magic button, use CarPlay. Okay. Wow. There you go, folks. That's it. And your wheel will let you jump around. Let's see here.
Order some Chick-fil-A possibly.
Oops, maybe not. There we go. Look at that, sweet. Yeah, what do you want from Chick-fil-A, Adam?
Oh, let's go to the Domino's app.
All right, let's see here. Let's order a
go
pizza.
back.
This is easier.
Touch screen and combi wheel. Both
That's
work.
cool. We think you guys will like this, right? So we're all relying on our phones more these days, and everybody's asking for this. Now we got it. Call the man behind the lens, Adam or David at the parts counter, $4.99 to pre-order and reserve your BMW unit due in mid to late September. We'll also happy to sell you the non-BMW unit for those of you that have got to have this on your bike but don't have these features. Does everything else, just doesn't hook up the same. Thank you so much. We hope you're as excited as we are here at GCM, and we'll see you around. Peace.